Ever wondered how plants can grow without soil? Welcome to the fascinating world of hydroponics, a method of cultivating plants in water enriched with nutrient solutions. Today we're going to delve into the step-by-step process of setting up your very own hydroponic system. First off, we need to understand the basic components of a hydroponic system. A reservoir holds the nutrient solution, a pump circulates the solution, and a grow tray houses the plants. An air pump oxygenates the solution, while a light source aids plant growth. To start, you'll need to find a suitable location for your hydroponic system. Look for a spot with ample light, good ventilation, and easy access to water and electricity. Next, it's time to set up the reservoir. This is where the nutrient solution will be stored. The size of your reservoir will depend on the number of plants you intend to grow. After setting up the reservoir, you will need to install the air and water pumps. The air pump oxygenates the nutrient solution, ensuring the roots receive enough oxygen. The water pump, on the other hand, circulates the nutrient solution from the reservoir to the plants. Then it's time to prepare the grow tray. This is where your plants will reside. Ensure the grow tray is slightly tilted towards the reservoir. This allows the nutrient solution to flow back into the reservoir. Once the grow tray is set, you must choose the right growing medium. In hydroponics, the growing medium supports the plant roots, but does not provide nutrients like soil does. Options include rock wool, perlite, and coconut coir. Now you're ready to plant your seeds. Plant them into the growing medium, ensuring they are secure and upright. With the system set and seeds planted, you can now add the nutrient solution. This solution replaces the nutrients that would usually be found in soil. Make sure to check the pH levels regularly to ensure optimal growth conditions. Lastly, turn on your lights and pumps and watch your plants grow. Remember, the beauty of hydroponics is that it allows you to control the environment. To recap, setting up a hydroponic system involves selecting a location, setting up the reservoir, installing the pumps, preparing the grow tray, choosing a growing medium, planting the seeds, adding the nutrient solution, and finally, turning on the lights and pumps. This may seem like a lot of work, but the payoff is worth it. Hydroponics allows for year-round cultivation, faster growth rates, and less water usage compared to traditional gardening. So why not give hydroponics a try? It might just be the future of gardening. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of hydroponics. Until next time, keep exploring and keep growing.